200.
200.
200's good. How about that? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I already visit the website and
Yes.
also the ads account. I see the website user experience is good. Also I create a report. I mean, the speed is good, the mobile friendly also. But the thing is, UX UI design, I think we need to more improve. Like when I
Okay.
see the website, people don't understand easily. This is a product. This is, I mean, the size, the template, like, okay. This is number one thing I notice for website. And
This
if
is
I
like
go,
on the homepage or the catalog or what?
yeah, exactly. Homepage also are also category.
Okay.
Both. This is number one thing, and also I see your competitors some, but I don't find like only any like this type of website who sell only the main product. I see.
Yeah, maybe. So there, I can send you a list of competitors that only sell men's things. The Particle for Men, that's a really good competitor.
Okay.
We actually compete. I think Google thinks we're the same as Particle for Men in terms of quality. So you'll see in the Google ads, I'm showing up a lot with Particle for Men.
Okay.
And they do, like, if we could be like Particle for Men, that would be awesome, of course.
Okay.
And
also
let me send you,
good for me.
I'll send you two things. One is a list of very similar, I'll send you three things. The reviews, competing products,
Okay.
and then competing websites. How about that?
Okay, thanks for the order. And also I will research, you already give me the competitor list. Also I will research some competitors, then based on this I'll give you a report goodly. And also brother, from today is 7 November, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So until the December I will give you the negative keyword list. And kindly, do you use the Google Excel sheet, I mean Google sheet?
If I have to.
Actually, this is another thing, also Google tool. You can open and mark as a red if this is not related to your business. Then I will add immediately as a negative.
Yeah, sure.
When I see the keywords, I understand, but this is double check. When you check and me check, it's more confirm.
Okay, good.
Also, you are adding its account level. That's why we should do more secure.
Yeah, account level. Yeah.
Thank you, and hopefully, thank you for ordering, and hopefully tomorrow I will send the order.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.